Today should be a short, impactful, and rushed workout because we have other places to be today. We got some treats to the cow today. These things comes with a thread around them. You usually just cut, but if you want to waste your time, you could just play around like that. Hopefully that should be enough until I come back. Be careful. You want to go eat? I'll put some food. Sheesh. What happened to this? There is this cafe I go to in Pondicherry for some coffee. I have to be there at 7, but today time is not on our side and we have to do laundry as well. I rolled back on the laundry today. We have too much to do and I couldn't fit it in. It would be too tight. This is not good. That's better. These things need to be dealt with immediately. I'm going to Pondicherry to buy things, groceries and everything. My goal is to not make stupid dish. If I buy a cake that is 60 rupees and I'll eat in one sitting, that's a bad dish. I want to buy things that last for a while. Provisions kind of thing, not snacks. Not snacks, that's the point. This has always been my goal, but I slip. Today I will not. We have to invest our money in right ways, alright? Nice looking car. It is so cool. So low, so funny. It is just 6 to 10 lakhs, that's all. So cute. That's the best egg dosa you can get. Or egg dosa. Egg dosa. This is my parking. Special for cycle. Sunday this time is usually I call my family as a schedule. Ana badam 1 kilo etini 900 raw peanut 1 kilo 130 vlog, YouTube vlog.
I am also on YouTube.
You're also YouTuber? Oh. ST80. No space.
Yes, okay.
Where can I get like loose almond oil?
You can't get loose almond.
No.
Everything is
Packed only.
yes.
Second left corner. Almond oil. Castor oil. I'm not sure whether you can apply for this hair, but it's just raw castor oil. I'm here to pick up 3D prints. Hello. What is this? Venabus.
தேங்காய் கடலை
Oh, nice.
ரைஸ் வந்து அடித்து அதை சாப்பிடுங்க.
They gave me 2 sweets for free. How kind is that? Come to that shop every Sunday now. It's added to my ritual, Sunday ritual. I would like to try this. Like 100 ml, 10 rupees. That thing moves. It actually works. What happened to you, cow? Where is your other? It's all right. One is enough, you know. You don't need 2 of them. I'm back. I don't know how well did I cover the entire thing, but I can definitely do better. No worries, no worries. We'll practice. We'll get there. Eventually, we'll get there. I indulged myself in McDonald's today. They are cold. As cold as my brain when I bought them. Why did you? Never mind. This is what I bought at that shop. There's a lot of coconut in it. There is no way I can describe how this tastes. It's very smooth. It's not too sweet and it's smooth. Like you can eat 2 of this for sure. Cows are fed and I'm on the way to the play reading now. I'm rolling with the phone because camera is acting all moody. I don't know. You definitely have to go to Chennai. I just have to find time, right day. That was hard landing.
That was a different day. No.
Hello.
Oh, are you documenting?
Yeah. Again, like it's when you're discussing in the room, you cannot record much, and no movie today as well. I have to edit a lot. I'm still lagging. Camera is not turning on again, so